Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're looking at 1, 2, and 3 dinosaurs. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at the 3 dinosaurs from the DC Masters of Time set. Okay, we have the generic one, the red one, the T-Rex. We have the green one, the Beast Boy, and the brown one, the Ultra Humanite. Okay, and yes, they look the same because they utilize the same sculpt to some extent. That's what we call sculpt reuse. So anyway, I actually did not intend to collect all the dinosaurs, but through trade and sell, I was able to get a hold of them. And yeah, it's a good thing. I like it because they are really good in terms of sculpt. They're very sturdy and big. And my son loves dinosaurs, so sometimes I let him play with his figures. Okay, so he actually played with this more than I do because I've never used some of them in a team before, especially this T-Rex. Okay, so let's take a look quickly at the cards. Okay, you can see the sculpt is really on point with this particular T-Rex. Okay, T-Rex here is animal past ruler keywords. You can see the dial. It's what you see, what you get, but it does have a trait, the king of the dinosaurs. Okay, +1 when attacking, +1 attack when attacking one or more characters with the animal keyword, and another +1 attack when attacking one or more characters with the pass keyword. Okay, the beauty of this is the 30-point line. Okay, 30-point line only has 3 clicks, but you can see from his second trait that when he attacks and with rolling a critical hit and a character is KO'd, then you can turn T-Rex to click number 1. Okay, that means turn him to the complete 300-point line. Okay, so I'm not so sure whether somebody has already pulled that feat. Okay, but it will be amazing. And last trait is that can't attack smaller characters unless they have attacked T-Rex since your last turn, been moved or placed since your last turn, or T-Rex is the only character on your force. Okay, so interesting. So I guess you're out of his periphery and interest if you did not move of this turn. Okay, so that is T-Rex, the generic dinosaur of the set. Let's go to the next one, which is Beast Boy. Okay, so I have a feeling Beast Boy will be good because the upcoming Lantern Legacy also has a Beast Boy, and that can convert or transform into this dinosaur Beast Boy. Okay, so Doom Patrol, Teen Titans Animal. I think we've already done a video of this. So I'm just gonna go with it very quickly. Charge Flurry, Blade Claws fast, but can use it to target up to 2 characters. He has 2 targets. That's why. And rolls a separate d6 for each hit character. Really good. 120 points. I've actually used this figure in a team. And yeah, he pulled his weight at 120, starting off with Invincible. And he has the Outsiders and Team Player, Team Ability. Okay, Extinct Species coming through. Stop click. And then when it's first revealed, you will replace it with a character named Beast Boy on their last non-KO click. That can be the Velociraptor Beast Boy from the Masters of Time set. Or from Lantern Legacy, that can be the Dolphin. Okay, or the regular Beast Boy, I guess. Okay, interesting. Okay, so he might appear more in games because of that trait. Okay. And the last one is the villain, okay, because the T-Rex is just an animal neutral. Beast Boy is a hero, so we need to have a villain, which is Ultra Humanite. Okay, this actually has a remote control, so that's the difference in the sculpt. Okay, the others did not have. Okay, and this brown dinosaur, okay, in Justice League, Secret Society of Supervillains, Time Stealers, Animals, Past Scientists keywords with the, what do you call that? Hyper Time. Okay, in Justice League team ability. Okay, so very important, the Hyper Time, because that means there's a chance that the opposing character will not be able to base you. Okay, you can see the power here. A trait, which is animal keyword gains time stealer keywords, and choose with the power action. You can choose 2 friendly characters with the animal keyword, and it can be the other 2 dinosaurs here if you play them together, and move them 3 squares. Really, really good trait. Second trait, opposing characters can carry more than 1 character, so he might actually also show some play, because as we all know, lanterns have the lantern team ability that allows them to carry 8, but he just taps that. And dinosaur remote mind control, when Ultra Humanite uses it, he may target opposing characters adjacent to 2 or more friendly characters with the animal or time stealer keywords, regardless of range or line of fire. Okay, so he is the master manipulator, mastermind of the animals time stealers. Okay, so Ultra Humanite. Okay, interesting. So I'm actually happy that after reviewing or making this video, I'm realizing these dinosaurs might find a new purpose with Lantern Legacy. Okay, but what do you guys think? Share your thoughts on the comments, and we're gonna go roar, roar, roar. Bye bye.